ServiceNow versus Salesforce, which is honestly better for IT service management. So here's some core strengths for both of these platforms. With ServiceNow excelling in IT service management, workflow automation, while Salesforce is strong in customer relationship management, CRM. For the user base, ServiceNow has 85% of Fortune 500, especially mid to large enterprises with complex IT needs. For Salesforce, the user base is broad, but ITSM adoption is limited and not core. So which is honestly better for IT service management? ServiceNow is a clear leader for IT service management. It offers a unified enterprise-grade platform purpose-built for ITSM with advanced automation AI and deep integration capabilities. Organizations using ServiceNow reported significant improvements in IT efficiency, incident resolution, and workflow automation. Salesforce is not designed as a primary ITSM solution. Its ITSM features are basic, often requiring third-party integrations, and lack the depth and automation needed for complex IT solutions. Salesforce excels in CRM and customer-facing workflows, but falls short in comprehensive IT service management. Subscribe.